Welcome to my Unity tutorial how to make game with Unity with Youri Terdik. My name is Youri Terdik and I show you how to make game with Unity. Today, uh, first lesson, for the first lesson I show you how to open Unity. So, uh, you you download it Unity on Unity website, and you only have to make it. You click on the Unity hub and you wait, and the Unity hub appear, and after you start new project and you choose what kind of project you want, and if I create project. And you wait for the project to open. It could be a little long. You see the green bar. The green bar have to be complete overlay the gray bar. It's a loading bar. So you have to wait until the green bar is here. Okay? It's so you see it loading. Okay, it come. It's coming. It's okay. So you see, there is Unity is open, and you can start your game. Thank you very much for to see my video. Bye bye.